Do you want to turn off auto lock completely on your iPhone so that your iPhone screen will remain active until or unless you press the side button? Then this video is going to walk you through how to turn off auto lock on iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down the page, locate and click on display and brightness. Once you selected display and brightness, scroll down the page, then you should see auto lock, and now my auto lock time is set to 2 minutes. Now to turn off auto lock on your phone, click on it. Once you selected it, come here and locate never and click on it. Now if you set your auto lock time to never, then you should see your iPhone may use more energy with these settings because your iPhone screen will always remain active unless you choose to press the side button. So the screen will be active whether you're using it or not. So if you want to keep your iPhone screen active, you need to choose never under auto lock. So that is basically a simple approach you can use to disable or turn off auto lock on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.